estate stocks in focus as the GST Council in its meeting today is likely to reduce rates. Sonal is here with all the details. Sonal?
Thanks a lot for that. And yes, as you rightly pointed out, the meeting is scheduled at 12 today, and we are expecting some reduction in the GST rates for under construction properties. So remember, currently for completed projects, there is no GST. There is only a stamp duty that is levied on fully constructed projects. On the under construction projects, we have a GST rate of 12%. On affordable housing, we have a GST rate of 8%. We can take in input tax credit on these particular transactions. But with the new reduction in rates that we are expecting, the rate is expected to reduce to 5% for under construction projects, and for affordable housing it is expected to reduce to 3%. But remember, sources are telling us that it will be without an input tax credit. So if it comes through, it is not expected to be a big positive for all these builders. I spoke to a lot of experts and they told me that it will push up the cost structure for these companies by around 2% odd. Further, it will put some pressure on their margins as well. And if they do take price hikes, it will impact the demand, because remember, there's a lot of unsold inventory that is piled up for these builders. Additionally, there are recommendations like exemption to affordable housing up to a particular area. Also, they are planning on changing the definition of affordable housing in this particular meeting. So we will be watching out for what the changes actually are, and the real estate stocks, how do they react to these changes. Back to you.
Okay, but prima facie, Sonal is saying it's not going to be. I mean, the feedback she's getting is if what we reported yesterday, if they actually come through in the GST Council, not great news. It'll push up the cost by a little bit. We'll see. And we'll report on what comes out of that meeting, finally, what's decided. We slip into a quick break, the first on the show. The market's up 72, so no let up. We are back with commodities as always with Manisha Gupta on the other side.